5 questions to consider before starting your home-based business. For many people, having a home business would be something really attractive. To be your own boss, to not having to commute, to choose the working hours freely, and to be able to plan the workday entirely on your own. If you are considering starting your own home-based business, then you could start with thinking it through by asking yourself some initial questions, such as 1. If I am going to keep my current job, at least as a starter, when will I find the time to build my home-based business? How many hours each day can I put aside and use to my business endeavors? Can I work early in the morning or at the late evenings? Maybe at the weekends? 2. Do I have a suitable room or place for my home business? Can I work uninterrupted? And, would my neighbors also feel uninterrupted? 3. How much energy and determination am I willing to put into learning something new, if required? Even if the basic direction of my home-based business is something that I already know of and master, then, how about the management of the home business itself? Should I delegate some or any chores, like the bookkeeping? 4. Do I know how to market my home-based business, in order to get people aware that they can buy something from me? Should I use online or offline marketing, or both maybe? How much money and/or time do I need to put aside for marketing efforts alone? What is the most effective way for me to market my home business, within my particular economical frames? If I plan to do this myself, could I learn something that would make it easier and more effective? 5. And, last but not least, how about the money? How do I plan to finance the start? How much money is needed? Do I have most of the equipment already, or do I have to buy or rent something? If I do need to buy equipment, then what does it cost? This is a few questions to start with. That's very good to have the answers to, before starting up your own home-based business. It would make your upstart smoother and safer, to have some answers for yourself, about the home business of yours to be.